Have you ever imagined that the solution to prostate problems disrupting your comfort might be hidden on the fruit shelves of markets or supermarkets? This possibility turns out to be very real, based on recent scientific research that opens our eyes to the healing power naturally contained in certain fruits. Nature has provided us with extraordinary resources, including delicious fruits and medicinal plants that can be great allies in maintaining prostate health. These natural alternatives offer effective solutions for those seeking relief and control of prostate discomfort without always relying on chemical medications. Before we begin, write in the comments section whether you already regularly consume fruit every day. What fruit do you consume most often? With guidance from Dr. Barbara ONeill, a renowned holistic health expert, we will explore 5 extraordinarily powerful fruits that are not only delicious but also have special properties for prostate well-being. Among them, one stands out for its surprising benefits, a fruit worthy of being known and included in your daily eating routine. But before we dive into the world of these magical fruits, it's important for us to better understand what the prostate is and why this organ's health is so crucial for men. The prostate is a small gland about the size of a walnut located just below the male bladder, surrounding the upper part of the urethra. Despite its small size, the prostate plays a vital role in the male reproductive system. This gland produces fluid that becomes part of semen, working together with the testicles and seminal vesicles to support fertility and healthy sexual function. With age, most men naturally experience prostate enlargement, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. These changes often begin after age 40 and become more common after age 50. Statistics show that more than 50% of men aged 60 and nearly 90% of men aged 80 experience detectable BPH symptoms. This prostate enlargement causes various symptoms that disrupt comfort in life, such as frequent urination, especially at night, difficulty emptying the bladder completely, and weak or intermittent urine flow. These disturbances not only affect sleep quality but can also impact mental health, social life, and daily productivity. Besides BPH, another prostate problem to be aware of is prostatitis, a painful inflammation often associated with bacterial infections. This condition can cause pain during urination, pain in the pelvic area, and even high fever in severe cases. Another important point to consider is prostate cancer, a disease that affects about 1 in 8 men throughout their lives. According to estimates from the American Cancer Society, in 2024 alone, approximately 268,000 new cases will be diagnosed. These numbers emphasize the importance of discussing this topic and seeking effective prevention strategies. The good news is that adopting healthy habits, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, can have a significant impact on the prevention and management of prostate problems. And this is where the superpowered fruits we'll discuss play an important role. Let's explore together 5 fruits that could potentially be your best allies in maintaining and improving prostate health. As a bonus, we'll also share practical tips to avoid complications in the future. Ready to discover the secrets of these magical fruits? Let's begin. 1. Watermelon, a refreshing ally for prostate health. Watermelon, this refreshing summer fruit, turns out to hide extraordinary power for maintaining prostate health. The main problem faced by men with prostate disorders is inflammation and cell damage caused by free radicals, which can trigger or worsen conditions such as BPH and even prostate cancer. Scientifically, watermelon stands out for its high lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant that gives this fruit its bright red color. Lycopene works by capturing free radicals in the body, preventing them from damaging healthy cells, including prostate cells. Research shows that lycopene can inhibit prostate cancer cell growth and reduce inflammation in prostate tissue. A study published in the journal Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention revealed that men who regularly consume lycopene-rich foods in their diet have a significantly lower risk of developing prostate cancer. This risk reduction can reach 21% compared to those who rarely consume lycopene-rich foods. The impact of lacking lycopene in the diet can be serious. Without adequate antioxidant protection, prostate cells are more vulnerable to oxidative damage, which can accelerate prostate enlargement and increase the risk of cell transformation becoming malignant. Additionally, an unhealthy urinary system can worsen BPH symptoms, creating a vicious cycle of discomfort and health problems. Watermelon is not only rich in lycopene but also contains about 90% water, making it a highly effective fruit for maintaining body hydration. Good hydration is essential for urinary system health, helping to clean toxins from kidneys and bladder, and reducing the risk of urinary tract infections that can worsen prostate symptoms. What makes watermelon even more special is its citrulline content, a bioactive compound that the body converts into arginine, an essential amino acid for improving blood circulation. Good blood flow to the pelvic area is vital for prostate health, ensuring essential nutrients reach this gland and metabolic waste is efficiently disposed of. To maximize watermelon benefits, try consuming it as fresh juice in the morning, or as a snack in the afternoon. You can also add it to fruit salads for a refreshing taste variation. The important thing is to consume it regularly, at least 3 times a week, to feel its benefits for prostate health. 2. Pears. Special fruit for men's health. Pears might look simple, but this fruit holds extraordinary power for men's health, especially in addressing prostate problems. One of the main challenges faced by men with prostate disorders is chronic inflammation and recurring infections that can worsen BPH and prostatitis symptoms. From a scientific perspective, pears are known for their strong anti-inflammatory properties, which come from their flavonoid and antioxidant content. These flavonoids work by inhibiting inflammatory signaling pathways in the body, reducing swelling and pain in inflamed prostate tissue. Pears are also an excellent source of vitamin C, providing about 7 milligrams per fruit, equivalent to about 10% of daily needs. Vitamin C not only strengthens the immune system but also helps in collagen formation, a protein that maintains the structural integrity of all body tissues, including the prostate. When the prostate experiences inflammation, its tissue structure can be damaged, causing swelling and discomfort. Without proper nutritional intake for tissue repair, this condition can become chronic, causing long-term damage and persistent symptoms. This damage can affect overall quality of life, causing sleep disturbances, anxiety, and even depression. Pears contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps detoxify the body and improve intestinal function. The fiber in pears acts as a prebiotic, stimulating the growth of good bacteria in the intestines. A healthy intestinal microbiome balance is very important in preventing urinary tract infections and maintaining a strong immune system. Consisting of more than 80% water, pears also help body hydration, support healthy digestion, and help relieve symptoms related to prostatitis such as pain during urination and pelvic discomfort. Good hydration helps remove bacteria and toxins from the urinary tract, preventing infections that can worsen prostate conditions. To maximize pear benefits for prostate health, try consuming them whole with their skin, after washing thoroughly, because most of their nutrients are concentrated just under the skin. You can also add them to smoothies, salads, or even cook them as a healthy dessert. Regular consumption of 2 to 3 pears per week can help maintain your prostate health in the long term. 3. Avocado. Superfood for the prostate. Different from most fruits, avocados stand out as a superfood for prostate health because of their unique nutrient profile. One of the biggest challenges in addressing prostate problems is finding nutrients that not only reduce inflammation but also support healthy hormonal balance, an important aspect in preventing prostate enlargement. Scientifically, avocados are special because of their high concentration of monounsaturated fats, which account for about 23% of this fruit's weight. These healthy fats play a crucial role in regulating hormone production, including hormones that affect prostate growth. Monounsaturated fats help the body produce the right amount of testosterone, preventing excessive conversion to dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that can trigger prostate enlargement. Research shows that avocado extract can inhibit up to 60% of prostate cancer cell growth, making it one of the fruits with the most powerful anti-cancer potential. This is largely due to its high lutein content, a carotenoid that can reduce prostate cancer cell development by up to 25%. Additionally, avocados are rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant compound whose structure is similar to cholesterol but has beneficial effects on prostate health. Beta-sitosterol has been proven to reduce BPH symptoms, including improving urine flow and reducing residual volume after urination. The impact of lacking nutrients contained in avocados can be serious. Without adequate healthy fat intake, the body may produce hormones imbalanced, which can worsen prostate conditions. This hormonal imbalance, combined with chronic inflammation, creates an environment conducive to abnormal prostate growth and even cell transformation becoming malignant. Avocados also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative damage. The prostate is very vulnerable to oxidative stress due to high metabolic activity in this gland. Vitamin E helps maintain prostate cell integrity, preventing mutations and DNA damage that can cause cancer. To maximize avocado benefits for prostate health, try consuming half to 1 avocado every day. For example, added to salads, smoothies, or eaten with eggs in the morning. You can also use avocado oil for cooking or as a salad dressing. Consistency is key. Avocado benefits for the prostate appear most significant in those who consume it regularly in the long term. 4. Tomatoes. Powerful prostate protectors. Tomatoes are a smart choice for protecting the prostate, and their secret lies in their lycopene content, a powerful carotenoid that gives this fruit its bright red color. Major prostate health problems, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer, are often triggered by cell damage due to free radicals and uncontrolled chronic inflammation. Biochemically, lycopene in tomatoes works as a highly effective antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage by neutralizing free radicals. Research shows that lycopene can selectively accumulate in prostate tissue, providing protection exactly where it's most needed. Additionally, lycopene also inhibits growth factors involved in prostate cancer cell proliferation. A study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute revealed that men who consume at least 10 portions of tomato-based foods per week have a 35% lower risk of developing aggressive prostate cancer compared to those who rarely consume tomatoes. This figure shows how strong the protective effect of lycopene is on prostate health. The impact of lycopene deficiency in daily diet can be serious, especially for men over 50 years old. Without adequate antioxidant protection, prostate cells are vulnerable to DNA mutations that can trigger abnormal growth and even cancer. Additionally, uncontrolled inflammation can accelerate prostate enlargement, worsening urinary tract obstruction symptoms that disturb quality of life. Interestingly, cooked tomatoes are actually more beneficial than raw tomatoes in terms of lycopene bioavailability. The heating process breaks down tomato cell walls, releasing more lycopene and making it easier for the body to absorb. In fact, lycopene in tomato sauce is up to 4 times more easily absorbed compared to fresh tomatoes. Tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate, essential nutrients for optimal cell health and immune function. This combination of nutrients provides a synergistic effect in protecting not only the prostate but also heart health and cognitive function. To maximize tomato benefits, try consuming them in various forms: tomato sauce for pasta, tomato soup, or fresh tomato juice. Consuming tomatoes with a little olive oil will increase lycopene absorption, as lycopene is a fat-soluble antioxidant. Ideally, daily consumption of at least 1 portion of tomato-based food for optimal prostate protection. 5. Pomegranate. Nature's jewel for prostate health. This ruby red fruit is the most outstanding among other fruits for prostate health, making it truly a natural jewel worthy of special attention. The main challenge in treating and preventing prostate problems is finding natural agents powerful enough to inhibit abnormal cell growth without causing dangerous side effects. Scientifically, pomegranate is an extraordinarily rich source of antioxidants, even exceeding drinks famous for their antioxidant benefits such as red wine and green tea. Laboratory analysis shows that pomegranate juice contains up to 3 times more antioxidants compared to these drinks, making it one of the richest antioxidant sources in nature. Pomegranates contain a unique series of polyphenol, including punicalagins, anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and flavonoids that work synergistically to provide comprehensive protection against prostate cells. In vitro and in vivo studies have shown that pomegranate extract can stop prostate cancer cell cycles, promote apoptosis, program cell death in abnormal cells, and inhibit angiogenesis, formation of new blood vessels, needed for tumors to grow. A clinical study published in Clinical Cancer Research revealed that men with prostate cancer who drink 8 ounces, about 240 milliliters, of pomegranate juice every day experienced a significant delay in PSA, prostate-specific antigen, increases, a biomarker for prostate cancer activity. PSA doubling time increased from an average of 15 months before intervention to 54 months afterward, indicating a dramatic slowdown in disease progression. The impact of not integrating pomegranate in the diet can mean losing the opportunity to utilize one of the most powerful natural anti-cancer agents. Without adequate antioxidant protection, prostate cells are more vulnerable to DNA damage and epigenetic changes that can trigger carcinogenesis. For men with genetic predisposition to prostate problems, this additional protection may be very important. Besides anti-cancer effects, pomegranates also show strong anti-inflammatory properties that are beneficial in reducing BPH and prostatitis symptoms. Chronic inflammation in the prostate can worsen symptoms such as pelvic pain, difficulty urinating, and sexual dysfunction. Anti-inflammatory components in pomegranates can help relieve these symptoms and improve overall quality of life. Pomegranates are also rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that improves digestive health. Good digestive health is essential because it helps prevent constipation and reduces pressure in the pelvic area, which directly benefits the prostate. Consisting of 80% to 90% water, pomegranates also help maintain optimal hydration and support healthy kidney function. To maximize pomegranate benefits, you can consume the seeds fresh, drink them in juice form, ensure 100% pomegranate juice without added sugar, or add them to salads and other dishes. The ideal portion is half to 1 cup of seeds per day, equivalent to about 150 to 200 grams. A practical way to extract pomegranate seeds is by cutting the fruit in half, then tapping its skin with a spoon over a bowl to release the seeds quickly and easily. This makes what seems like a complicated process into a simple and quick task. Besides these 5 extraordinary fruits, there are several additional steps you can take to optimally support your prostate health. Maintaining adequate hydration is very important. It's recommended to drink at least 1.5 liters of water every day to support urinary function and overall body health. A balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, especially brightly colored ones, whole grains, and lean protein, is the foundation for long-term prostate health. Limiting consumption of red meat, processed foods, and caffeinated beverages can also help reduce the risk of prostate problems. Regular checkups with doctors are very important, especially after age 50 when the risk of prostate-related problems increases significantly. Early detection is key to successfully handling prostate problems and preventing serious complications. Avoiding alcohol and tobacco is also very important, as these substances can irritate the digestive and urinary systems, increasing the risk of inflammation and prostate complications. Regular physical activity, at least 30 minutes per day for 5 days a week, has also been proven beneficial for prostate health and overall well-being. Our journey through the world of magical fruits for prostate health has shown that nature provides rich and diverse solutions to support this vital organ. From lycopene in watermelon and tomatoes to healthy fats in avocados, from fiber in pears to super antioxidants in pomegranates, each fruit offers a unique nutrient profile that contributes to optimal prostate health. Integrating these fruits into your daily diet is not a complicated task, but a pleasant journey toward better health. Variety is key. Trying various fruits not only ensures you get a wide spectrum of nutrients, but also makes the eating experience more enjoyable. Remember that consistency is the key to success in any prevention effort. The benefits of these fruits are most visible in those who make them a permanent part of an overall healthy lifestyle, not just a temporary solution when symptoms appear. Share your experience with these fruits in the comment section. Have you been consuming them regularly? Which fruit do you prefer most? We're very interested to hear your stories and preferences. If this content is beneficial for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Seniors Insight channel to get more health and well-being tips. Also share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this important information. Prostate health may not be a frequently discussed topic, but its impact on quality of life is very significant. With proper knowledge and preventive actions, you can live an active and comfortable life even in old age. Thank you for watching until the end. Remember that every small step toward better health is a valuable investment for the future. See you in the next video on the Seniors Insight channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other important health information that we will share.